Welcome to AutoGPT Tutorials, your tech haven. Today, we're on a mission to explore some of the coolest AI projects out there. Imagine AIs that can chat like old friends, remember like an elephant, or even code themselves. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's all happening now, and we're here to break it down for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey together through the landscape of artificial intelligence. Ready to be amazed? Hit that like button if you're all about exploring AI, and subscribe to join our community of tech adventurers. Project number 1, MemGPT. First off, let's delve into MemGPT. This project is all about giving chatbots a superpower, memory. But not just any memory. We're talking about an impressive ability to remember everything from a conversation, no matter how long ago it happened. It's like having a friend who never forgets your stories or preferences. MemGPT uses clever techniques to manage information so that chatbots can keep the conversation going, even if it's been days or weeks since you last chatted. What's really cool is that MemGPT allows chatbots to interact with local files or databases. That means you could ask about something you discussed last month, and the bot will bring it up like it was just yesterday. It's perfect for customer service bots that need to remember client preferences or support agents who help with ongoing issues. MemGPT is not only impressive but also quite practical. With a Discord server setup, you can interact with MemGPT bots using simple commands. This ease of use opens up a lot of possibilities for developers and businesses looking to provide a more personalized experience to their users. Plus, it's super user-friendly, meaning anyone can get the hang of it quickly. Now, let's talk about what this could mean for you. Imagine a bot that can help you study for exams by recalling all your previous sessions, or a personal assistant that remembers every detail of your schedule. The applications are endless and truly exciting. Which memory feat would you love to see MemGPT perform? Maybe remember all the ingredients of your favorite recipe? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Project number 2, OpenChat. Next up is OpenChat, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for building chat applications. It's like a Lego set for chatbots. You get a bunch of pre-built blocks, in this case, language models, that you can put together however you want. OpenChat is built with flexibility in mind, so whether you're creating a virtual buddy or a customer support bot, this library has got you covered. But OpenChat isn't just about putting pieces together. It's about creating meaningful, complex conversations. Thanks to its sophisticated models, chatbots built with OpenChat can handle detailed discussions, give accurate responses, and even learn from their interactions. It's like training a new employee who gets better with every customer they help. For developers, this is like striking gold. You get to build powerful chatbots without sweating over the nitty-gritty of model training and data handling. And for users, it's about getting quick, reliable help without waiting for a human to be available. OpenChat could revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers, making communication smoother and more efficient. The project is also constantly learning and improving, which means the bots you create today will keep getting better over time. It's a bit like planting a tree. It grows stronger and more capable with each passing day. Imagine creating a chatbot with OpenChat. What's the first question you'd ask it? Let's get the ideas rolling in the comments. Project number 3, Automata. Ever dreamed of a future where AI could write its own software? Well, dream no more, because that future is here with Automata. This project is all about teaching AI to be its own programmer. No kidding. Automata uses large language models, like those cool chatbots we've talked about, but here's the twist. It combines them with a database to create a system that can actually write, document, and search code. It's like having an AI that can not only talk the talk, but walk the walk in the coding world. So how does it work? Imagine giving an AI a library of code, a coding manual, and the ability to understand and search through it all. That's the idea behind Automata. It starts by documenting and creating examples of code, just like a good student taking notes. Then, with those notes, it learns to write new code, much like a craftsman learning to make tools. The more it practices, the better it gets. This could be a real game changer for how we develop software. Instead of spending hours writing and debugging code, we could have AI helpers taking on some of the load. It's like having a coding buddy who's always there, tirelessly churning out lines of code while you focus on the big picture. For developers and tech companies, Automata could mean faster development times, less grunt work, and more creativity. Picture Automata as your coding sidekick. What's the first project you'd tackle together? Share your dream coding project in the comments. Project number 4, AutoLLM. Now, let's shift gears to AutoLLM. This nifty toolkit is like the Swiss Army knife for anyone wanting to jump into the world of AI quickly. Whether you're a business looking to leverage AI or a curious cat in the tech world, AutoLLM offers a fast track to getting your AI applications up and running. Think of it as a one-stop shop for all your AI needs. With AutoLLM, you get access to a whole bunch of different AI models and databases, all under one roof. It's designed to be super user-friendly, meaning setting up an AI-powered app is as simple as pie. And the cherry on top? You can tweak and tune the AI to do exactly what you need. It's like customizing your car for the perfect ride, but with AI. What's truly remarkable about AutoLLM is its flexibility. It supports over 100 different AI models, meaning the sky's the limit when it comes to what you can create. It's perfect for businesses that need a tailored AI solution without the hassle of building it from scratch. Plus, it's a boon for tinkerers and creators who love to experiment with new tech. With AutoLLM, your AI project could go from zero to hero in no time. If you had AutoLLM at your fingertips, what's the first task you'd automate? Maybe sorting your emails or planning your meals. Tell us your most creative use for AI in the comments. Project number 5, Ollama. Have you ever wanted to harness the power of AI without relying on the cloud? Meet Ollama, the local hero of AI language models. Ollama brings the power of large language models like Llama 2 straight to your desktop. It's designed for those who like to keep it personal, giving you the reins to run AI models on your own machine. With Ollama, you're not just a user, you're the captain of your AI journey. It's like having a personal AI genie that lives in your computer, ready to grant your coding wishes. Want to chat with an AI that can mimic your favorite author or help you with programming? Ollama is your go-to. It's especially great for those who want to explore AI's capabilities without sending their data into the cloud. The setup is a breeze, especially for macOS users, with Linux and Windows support in the pipeline. And if you're the type who loves to tweak and tinker, Ollama is as customizable as they come. You can teach it new tricks, fine-tune its responses, and even have it chat in different languages or coding syntaxes. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Ollama also supports a variety of open-source models, so you have plenty to choose from. And performance-wise, it's built to run smoothly on your machine, provided you've got the right specs. So, whether you're a developer, a student, or just AI curious, Ollama opens up a playground of possibilities right in your own home. What's the first command you'd give to your Ollama AI? Maybe to tell you a joke, or to explain quantum physics? Comment your creative ideas below. Project number 6, ChatGLM3. And lastly, we zoom into ChatGLM3. This isn't just another dialogue model. It's a smooth-talking AI that takes chatting to a whole new level. Developed by the bright minds at Jishu AI and Tsinghua University, ChatGLM3 is the latest in the series, and it's making waves with its improved capabilities and wider range of functions. ChatGLM3 doesn't just do chit-chat. It's equipped to handle complex scenarios like running functions, executing code, and tackling tasks that you might throw at a virtual assistant. It's like having a conversation with someone who's not only knowledgeable, but also incredibly versatile. What sets ChatGLM3 apart is its solid foundation. The base model is trained on diverse and comprehensive data, stepping up its game in reasoning, code, and knowledge. It's outperforming models many times its size, which is impressive, to say the least. For academic researchers and commercial users alike, ChatGLM3 offers a new tool that's both powerful and accessible. The project is a testament to the potential of AI in enhancing our interactions with technology. With its open-source nature, it invites collaboration and innovation, laying the groundwork for future advancements that we can all be a part of. If you could have a deep conversation with ChatGLM3, what would you talk about? Space exploration, the secrets of the ocean, or maybe the future of AI itself? Dive into the comments and let us know. Conclusion. And there you have it, friends. A whirlwind tour of 6 AI projects that are redefining the boundaries of technology. From MemGPT's incredible memory to ChatGLM3's conversational prowess, we've seen how these innovations are not just lines of code. They're the building blocks of a smarter, more efficient future. Each project has its own charm, pushing the envelope in the fascinating world of AI. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. If you love discovering these AI gems, smash that like button and share this video with others who share our passion for technology. Your support means the world and helps us bring more content like this to you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future tech explorations. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep sharing your brilliant ideas with the world. This is AutoGPT Tutorials, signing off on another tech adventure. Stay curious and take care. Before you go, drop a comment with the project you found most inspiring and why. Plus, if there's an AI project or topic you want us to cover in a future video, let us know. Your feedback is our compass for new content.